The Little Journey of Tom. Tom was a young boy. He lived in a small town near the sea. He was 19 years old and he worked in a small coffee shop. Every morning, Tom woke up at 6 o'clock. He washed his face, ate breakfast, and walked to work. Tom liked his job, but he had one big dream. He wanted to travel around the world. He wanted to see new places, meet new people, and speak English very well. Tom's English was not very good, but he tried every day. He listened to English music. He watched English movies with subtitles. And every night he read a short English story before sleeping. One morning, a woman came into the coffee shop. She was tall, she had brown hair, and she spoke English. She said, "Hello, can I have a cup of coffee, please?" Tom was nervous, but he smiled and said, "Hello, yes, of course." The woman sat near the window. After a few minutes, she talked to Tom again. "Are you from here?" she asked. "Yes," Tom said. "I live here. I work here every day." "Your English is good," she said kindly. Tom laughed. "Thank you, but I am still learning." A new opportunity. The woman's name was Anna. She was a travel writer. She traveled to many countries and wrote stories about people and places. Anna said, "Tom, do you like traveling?" Tom's eyes became bright. "Yes, I love traveling, but I don't have money." Anna smiled and said, "Next month I will travel to England. I need someone to help me. You can practice English and see a new country." Tom could not believe it. He was happy and scared at the same time. "Really?" he asked. "Yes," Anna said. "If you want." Tom went home that night and told his family. They were proud of him. Life in England. 1 month later, Tom was in England. Everything was new. The streets, the food, the people, and the language. At first, English was difficult. People spoke fast. Tom didn't understand everything. But he did not give up. Every day, he talked to people. He asked questions. He made mistakes. And he learned from them. Slowly, his English became better and better. A big change. After 6 months, Tom was a different person. He was more confident. He spoke English well. He made new friends. One day, Anna said, "Tom, you don't need me anymore. Now you can travel on your own." Tom smiled and said, "Thank you. You changed my life." Anna answered, "No, Tom, you changed your own life." The lesson. Tom learned something important. You don't need to be perfect to start. You only need to start and continue. And that is how a small boy from a small town started a big journey